Hey, everybody! Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily log out of your YouTube account on your mobile device, whether you have an iPhone or Android. Please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes, write your comments after watching the video. And let's get started. So, first of all, you're going to need to, of course, open up the YouTube app. And once you open the app, on the home page at the bottom, you select your account, you go to it, and here you choose at the top to switch to another account. You can have one account, or you can have two like me, or you can have a lot more accounts. For example, if you have many accounts, then you'll need to scroll down this menu to find Account Management. And you click on that, and then you'll see all your accounts. I have two, as you can see. And in order to log out of either one of them, you just click on Remove under the name of your account. And then to log out again, you'll have to click Remove. But keep in mind that when you choose to log out of that account, you'll be able to log out of it on a specific device. So you're not deleting it completely. You'll just log out of that YouTube account and also from all the apps and other accounts that are tied to that YouTube account on Google. For example, that would be Google Mail, Google Maps, and so on and so forth. Anything that is linked to that Google account. If you're happy with that, you can continue. And basically at any point later on, you can go back to that account to resume everything back. That's the way to log out of your YouTube account on your mobile. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to the channel, please also put your likes, and don't forget to write your comments. See you soon, friends.